Look at this.
They're all lemon and you.
This is what we're doing.
Get it on before
Oh. So I gotta change. Then I'm gonna dunk.
Yep. Get in, Al. Don't you want to see Castro, Al?
No. I don't care about cash.
Hey guys. Yeah. If everybody gets in, that's too cool. All the ice is running. Take a picture of Al. And I want to know what the temperature of the water is. It's 50 degrees.
I'm gonna take a picture. Gotta go up to your Adam's apple.
No,
Al.
I can't right
Yes,
now.
you can.
I'm not going to this time.
That
I
you
just
were-
gotta get through this.
I thought you were gonna dunk yourself.
I'm not gonna do it. Oh.
At 1 minute.
Oh.
Step this way.
My feet are starting to hurt again.
Alec,
Cubes can't slosh it when you get in, or else you're gonna lose all the ice cubes.
Try when you do it, Al. Breathe in through your nose and out of your mouth. Alec, do you need me to help you?
That's better. I'm feeling better now.
The more
Yeah,
you
those ice
Alec's
cubes in.
vein is popping out of your head.
That hurts my hand so bad. Holy smokies.
Out, breathe.
Yeah. That's probably why your toes hurt so bad. You're not breathing.
Fun fact, Alec can hold his breath for 3 minutes.
That's because it slows your metabolism down, man. So I need to go 10 more seconds to actually be at 5 or 20. I'm feeling good now. I'm feeling good now, man. I just got past the pain barrier, okay?
Alec, you're at 30 now.
All right, 5:30.
Oh, here we go.
Give him a
It
hug.
almost hurts just as much getting out.
All right, Cass's turn.
I was kind of a wimp the first few minutes, and then I got better.